Hey there, it's Taylor at Kelly's Port. Today I want to run you through operation of your boat's head, also known as the bathroom. Every single boat has different operations, but they all kind of have the similar setup. We're on a Regal right now, a 36, so this has got a bigger yacht, cruiser style head that you'll see in a lot of the bigger boats, your Tiers, Grady White, stuff like that. First things first, before anything, winterize, dewinterize, this is one of those systems. So that once your boat's winterized, the head does not work. So once your boat is summerized, and that's in another video, then you'll be ready for your operation here. The way these heads work on these boats is there is a holding tank. It uses your fresh water to flush the toilet and goes into your holding tank. What I recommend as soon as your boat's summerized, before you use the bathroom at all, is get some of this Aquamex tank treatment. We sell this here at the ship store. It's very dark blue, and what you'll do is put a healthy amount of this down the toilet. Just pour it straight in, flush it. This has got the enzymes similar to like a septic tank, if you will. This will be down in your holding tank, and it'll help it to break down any odors or things like that. Every time you pump that tank out, go ahead and come back and put more of this. Be generous with it. It's cheap. It helps a ton. Another important thing is the actual TP for the boat. Wildly different than normal. Buy the marine grade stuff if you got your favorite, but we sell this at the store. Make sure it is RV and Marine Sanitation Systems approved. Super important. Keep these two items in your boat. When you run out, get more of them. I want to take you down into the head here, show you a quick operational guide. Like I said, every head compartment is different, but they do kind of work the same. First things first, you'll notice a switch right here. Typically there's two buttons on the switch. There's going to be add water and there's going to be flush. The add water button adds water to the bowl. It'll start to fill up as you go. The flush button does both. It adds water and it vacuum flushes out the bottom of the bowl. So use those as you would. You've got the toilet here. Like I said, make sure that you're pouring some of that blue solution down into the bowl the first time you use it. Another good thing to remember is make sure either if you have a trash can included or have a small one in here for the feminine hygiene products, not something that you want to flush down into your toilet. Anything, kids with little toys, make sure they don't bring them down here. Anything that can clog this system up is extremely labor intensive and very expensive to fix. So just don't keep any of that down here. It'll make it a lot better experience. Another thing that comes up a lot, don't be afraid to use this, especially if you've got the modern plumbed system. Don't be afraid to use them. It's easy to flush, add water, get the pump out. Just don't be afraid to use it. You'll get more comfortable with it as you go. If you have any questions, we're always there to help here at the dock. And then another thing that does come up a lot is pump outs. If you're filling up your gas, probably just go ahead and get a pump out. You don't need to use it every time you use your head, but anytime you're filling up, especially a boat like this with a big gas tank, if you burn through your whole tank, it's probably time for a pump out. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Kelly's Port Academy. I'll see you out on the water.